Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix LDPlayer Install Stuck. Full Guide 2026 so you can complete the installation without freezing or getting stuck during setup. First, cancel the installation if it's frozen and restart your computer. Temporary system conflicts often cause installation to stop midway. Next, download the latest LDPlayer installer from the official website. Older setup files may become corrupted or incompatible with recent Windows updates. Now right-click the installer file and select Run as Administrator. This gives the installer full system permission and prevents installation errors. After that, temporarily disable antivirus or Windows Defender real-time protection because security software sometimes blocks emulator files during installation. Then check your storage space. Make sure you have enough free disk space available, preferably on an SSD for faster installation. Next, open Windows Features and ensure Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Hypervisor Platform settings do not conflict with LDPlayer. Disable unnecessary virtualization features if required, and restart your PC. Also, close background programs like browsers or heavy applications before starting installation again to avoid system resource conflicts. If installation still gets stuck, change the install directory and try installing LDPlayer on another drive. Finally, restart your PC once installation finishes and launch LDPlayer normally. And that's it. LDPlayer should now install successfully without getting stuck. If this guide helped you, like the video and subscribe for more PC troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching.